hello to you from Molineux here in the English West Midlands. I'm Derek Ray and delighted to have alongside me Sue Smith, the former England attacker, who'll provide all the technical and tactical analysis. And we've got Premier League action coming right up. It's Wolverhampton Wanderers and they take on Arsenal.
Well, it's so loud in here, isn't it? The fans are really up for this one, and I'm sure the managers will be reminding them, remember what you need to focus on and block out all of that noise.
The initial 11 for Wolves.
It certainly looks like a 5-3-2 out of possession, but a 3-5-2 when they're in possession. They will look to stay compact when they don't have the ball, and the distance between the units, I'm sure, will be small. Need to be clinical, though, when they do go forward.
Here are the starters for Arsenal. William Saliba starts alongside Gabriel in central defence. Martin Ødegaard plays alongside Declan Rice in central midfield. And the idea is to have just the one striker up there trying to pose problems for the opposition. Well, this game should offer plenty. Arsenal get it going. Trossard. Gyökeres. Timber. Bukayo Saka. High quality defending. That's a good-looking ball. Real chance. And that's handled without any trouble at all. Good example of pressing without the ball. Plenty of support here. Well, that's how to put in a clean tackle. Could be threatening. Well, there was impending danger, but good defending.
Yeah, I'd like to have seen a bit more quality in the final third there.
This looks interesting. Can he put them in front? Not troubling the keeper. Decent position. Can he put them ahead? In it goes! But wait a minute, that will not count.
Oh, that was so tight. You can see how frustrated he is, but he did finish it off well.
Wang Hee-chan. Space for Wolves out wide. Put it in and really tried to blast that one past the keeper, but his radar was a bit off. Declan Rice. Piero Incapié. Martin Ødegaard. And promising stuff from Arsenal. Options in the middle. Chance to finish. Easing the pressure there.
Yeah, he's made the right choice for me. Just clearing his lines, wasn't he?
That's a good-looking pass. No chance, perhaps. Well, a pair of steady hands in evidence. Well, now he's let that run out of play, and it will be a throw-in here. And with that, the attack fizzles out. And fine work from Arsenal to win it back. Takes it on! Oh, very effective play, and they might be onto something. Martin Ødegaard. Now, options are plenty. Not made it look routine, but read it well. Good ball over the top. They just cannot seem to keep possession today. Trying to open up the defence. Oh, could be a chance. Wolves with the ball once more. Now relying very much on their passing game in a bid to take the lead. That's a useful cross. Can they forge ahead from this corner kick? Let's see.
Well, just listen to that roar. It's been quiet for a while, but this is a chance, and they're trying to push the team to take the lead.
Nice weight on the pass. And there is the goal that gives them a well-merited lead. It had been coming.
Well, take a look at this. The pace they show on transition, it's just so impressive. The defenders can't stay with them. And once he's through, he stays cool under pressure and just slots it home. It's a superb finish.
Back in action then. A wake-up call for Wolves, perhaps. Can they find a response? John Arias. On to Hwang. Excellent defending. Incapié. Is this the moment? Well, that is top-class goalkeeping for you.
Yeah, he barely had a moment to move, and those reflexes were absolutely top class.
Well, he had clearly drifted into an offside position.
Yeah, he finishes it so well, but he knew himself that he was offside.
Arias. And Wolves being afforded too much space here. And a decent delivery. But it just petered out. And a tidy challenge. And what can they do to stop him running at them? Will it go in? In it goes! He's made it a brace for himself. No stopping him, apparently.
Well, here we can see it again. Sometimes when you're through 1v1, it's easy to be caught in two minds. He was just really composed, and the keeper had no chance.
So underway again, and a 2-0 advantage here. And time is up as far as the first half is concerned here in the West Midlands. One player. Into the second half, and Wolves know they've got to play much better than they did in the first 45. Will it happen for them? And miles off target with the header, but in fairness, the marking was tight. Subimendi. Arsenal move it forward with purpose and control, but really sticking to their task defensively. Arias. And possibilities here. Can he convert? Oh, a good diving save. Saka. Martin Ødegaard. Could be troublesome. Can he put it away? And fantastic hands to deny that effort.
Yeah, that's what you want from your keeper. Sharp reflexes and quick thinking. He's done so well there.
Was an important piece of defending. Just wasn't going to part with the ball. Arsenal have given it away. Oh, that's splendid play to trim the deficit. Declan Rice. Now, can they hit them on the counter? Can he put it in? In it goes! The lead just gets bigger. Surely they can't let this slip now.
Well, here it is again, and just look at how quickly they break forward, cause all sorts of problems, and it makes the striker's job relatively easy. All he has to do is make the right connection. It's a really good goal.
Is this going to be a thrashing? 3-0 now. Krejci. Smart defending.
Yeah, anticipated well there. Read that before it even happened.
Subimendi. Martin Ødegaard. Able to skip past his man. And the keeper throws himself at the ball. And a substitution in the offing. Corner awarded to Arsenal. Very quick thinking there. And Wolves unable to hang on to it. Thoughtful play. Oh, big moment. Oh, good work by the keeper. Over it comes. Taken by the keeper without any fuss. Declan Rice. It's with Ødegaard. There's the shot. Brilliant save. And he's fired over the corner. Well, to be blunt, misfiring with the header.
Well, it's a brilliant attacking display. So much quality in the final third. And the finishes have been really clinical. The back line just doesn't have the answers. They need to organise themselves quickly, or this could be a heavy defeat for them.
And he has options available. Arokodare. Maybe dangerous here. Is it going to be? Well, the danger was on, but just a fraction offside. Well, we're inside the final quarter of an hour now. Trossard. Oh, chance! That is a perfect tackle. Victor Gyökeres. Mosquera. Arocodare. John Arias. That's effective pressure, high up the pitch. Full marks to the keeper.
Oh, no idea. You just expected it to go in from there, but the keeper had other ideas. It's a top-class save.
Delivered into the area here. Palmed away by the keeper. Bukayo Saka. Perfect challenge. Nice weight on the pass. And getting across to stop it. They decided that now is the time to go to the bench. Clearing it away. Now counter-attacking possibilities. A really good pass. And on they go. Will it go in? And there's a quality defender in action.
Oh, I thought they were through there.
And so into the final 5 minutes. Subimendi. It's with Ødegaard. Saka. Oh, that is a superb save. Corner kick played in. And they're not out of the woods. Arsenal have given it away. And the referee is going to add on 3 minutes. Oluwalase Arocodare. And possibilities here. Real chance. And that's a decent bit of goalkeeping. Trossard. So there goes the final whistle. It ends in a victory for Arsenal. Maximum points for them. What did you make of it all?
Well, that was an emphatic result, wasn't it? They looked so confident in attack. Every time they went forward, you thought they were going to score. I'm sure they'll be pleased with that.
No two ways about it. He really has brought his influence to bear on the proceedings.
He was certainly one of the standouts. A threat throughout. Just never stopped running. And when the chances came, he took them well.